Hello everyone, I am Anne and welcome to my channel, Little Frenchy in Big Texas. So today, pretty cold here, so wearing my hoodie. As the first real video of the year, and for that first video of the year, I would like to help another channel. And here it is a cooking channel, a very special cooking channel because it is all the way back in Spain. So cooking with some Mediterranean flavor. Her name is Ampy and her channel is called Cocinando con Ampy, Cooking with Ampy. And she knows how to do literally everything in the kitchen. Everything. So it goes from how to make some delicious shrimps on the grill. I'm very much into chocolate, so I think I saw all her chocolate videos. I need to try the last one for the Christmas treats, which was some chocolate bars with quinoa that looked delicious. But you really have a bit of everything, including how to make homemade pasta. And everything looks just so easy, you know, when she does it. Very easy to do. She doesn't have like a huge kitchen. She's not officially a chef, just somebody who likes to cook in her kitchen with the south of Spain flavors. So a lot of olive oil and always a smile on her face. Kindness, definitely the key word for that channel. So she has her 1,000 subscribers, but she's missing some watch hours. So what I would really appreciate if you could do is head over to her channel. I will put the link in the description below. Please put a comment, watch a few videos, of course. If you can, take one of her playlists and let it run, watch it. And when you subscribe, please tell her that Little Frenchy and sent you over. I would really appreciate giving her a little boost to start the year, getting there, because she's really working hard on her channel. She has a lot of wonderful videos and she's so close. So thank you all for helping, and let me show you what the channel is about. So this is her channel, Cooking with Ampy. The last videos are more Christmassy kind of video with some Christmas cookies. This one is the one I really want to try. The quinoa nougat, the crispy chocolate bar with quinoa. That really looks delicious. You got a ceviche as well on the side. A key word for that channel is healthy cooking. Everything she does has some good natural ingredient. A lot, you do have some seafood as well, fruits. Okay, this one is chicken, but not only. So you do have, oh yes, all these salad, seafood, cocoa mousse. Where is the one that I saw this summer that was just so, oh, that one. Look at this. The shrimps looked delicious. It was actually in the oven. It wasn't on the grill, this one. It was in the oven. Delicious. So let's take one as an example. And of course, the chocolate one I would really like to try. And fast forward a bit toward the end to see the final product. And you also have tips along the way on how to do things easier in the kitchen. So yes, her channel is in Spanish, but as you can see here, it is translated in English by Google or whoever translates here. Sometimes it's kind of funny how they do it, but definitely understandable. And it is cooking, so just following what she does, you can do it too. You don't need to speak Spanish to follow that channel. So I hope you give her a visit, subscribe, and watch a few of her videos just to give her some hand to reach her milestone for this new year. Thank you all, and let's just fast forward very quick for this turrón de quinoa. I really want to try that one. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. I need to try it.